This looks completely worn out. Time to take it apart and see if we can save it. The journey begins now. Years of use have destroyed this surface. It's peeling and rough. Can we bring back that factory fresh feel? Getting rid of all the hidden dust. Every crack and corner needs to be perfect. Precision is the key here. Moving on to the seating. It's heavy, it's old, and it definitely needs a miracle. Let's see what's underneath. Look at that. Hidden rust and years of neglect. This is going to be a tough challenge, but we love a challenge. carefully scrubbing away the past. We have to be gentle but effective. Every stroke brings us closer to new. Wait for the transformation. The metal is starting to shine again. You won't believe how this turns out. From junk to a masterpiece. This was a tough one, but the result is absolutely worth it. What do you think of this transformation? Drop a comment below and let me know which car I should restore next. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, subscribe to Junk to Jewel Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss a miracle. See you in the next one.